Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Avni Suri and I belong to Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. I am a designing student and I live in Chandigarh because my bachelor's is going on here. During my course as a design student, I need to learn some graphic softwares and so that I can enhance my design skills. And during that I started exploring some good design institutes. Then some of my friends suggested me Webtech learning, and then I took a trial here, and trust me, the trial was very informational and productive. Gagan sir was my faculty there, and then I decided to took the course for 3 months, the graphic designing course. And during that, even of a single problem, he was there to help me. Even you can call or text them anytime if you are on leave. And I would suggest, if you're looking for a good graphic design institute to learn software, and if you're a design student, then you must visit here. And thank you.